Dear Cornish Gems, I'm Nadia Mesa Wright and I founded the business 17 years ago with my husband. We are a visionary company looking at holiday experiences in Cornwall and providing our guests and our owners with a different way of looking at holiday experiences and how we can be a force for good.
We have recently become B-Corp certified, and although that journey took us a year, it's the result of many years of being a responsible, environmentally sensitive business.
We were hit by the challenges of the ever-increasing energy supplies, and we're always looking at ways where we can save not only ourselves money but also our customers and our stakeholders. So we were looking to try and reduce waste and really be as efficient as possible and to move away from the fossil fuel industry. And we were really keen to then find out a lot more about how we could really start to move into the renewable energy sphere. It's difficult for us because we rent our offices and we don't have the ability to put any solar panels on our roof. So this negates the need for that, which is brilliant. We looked at a number of different options. We looked at sort of ground source heat pumps, and we were looking at involving the rest of our community. And this was the most sort of beneficial, the easiest to access, and also a really good partnership with Ripple, who have been amazing since the get-go. Everyone that we've dealt with at Ripple have been fantastic.
Well, we're looking to reduce our costs by approximately 10%, maybe more, depending on the current market. We're also looking to reduce year on year by 4.26 carbon tonnes equivalent our emissions. Ripple investment will be 5, so that's a good chunk of our investment towards net zero and our journey towards net zero. What it does do is it demonstrates that we're walking the walk. We are not just talking about being more responsible and sustainable, we're putting our money where our mouth is, and we are doing the best that we can with the resources that we have to engage in a more responsible, kinder, more sustainable way of doing business.
So we're showing people how you can practically make a difference. Being able to show people and help people to understand that there are other choices and other options out there. It's more important than ever to actually look at these other solutions and look at these other options. And we are helping our stakeholders see what's out there, show them how easy it is, and help them along the way so that they can use us as a sort of beacon of example, the best sort of practice in terms of how we can influence not only our stakeholders but our peers and other industries.
As part of our welcome gift offering that we have for our guests, as well as other projects, we've planted trees with an international non-profit for a number of years now. And actually we have planted enough to claim to be carbon neutral. We've never done so. We think it's misleading. We believe that our commitment to renewable energy is more valid and more genuine, and we will continue to commit to renewable energy.
But it also influences us to be better in other areas as well. And I think by using this as an example of how we are moving away from the fossil fuels again, making the right choices, using our investment in the right places, it will also allow us as a team and as a community to make different choices and actually move in a better direction.
We are signatories of the Glasgow Treaty for UNWTO. We support Better Business Act. We strongly believe that reduction in fossil fuels is essential and absolutely urgent, and we can't solve that problem, but what we can do is get on board, and we can communicate that to people that we may have influence over, and we're quite determined to do so.